Golden Sun, please stand on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. This our children are asking you to please come, also we can play with you. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please stand on me. Please stand